Hello dosto, welcome to szdatatech. In this video, we are going to discuss on DQL select statement with order by clause. Order by clause allow you to sort the rows written by select clause, and we can sort one or more expressions in ascending or descending order. If we provide multiple columns to sort record, then the result set is sorted by first column, and then that sorted result set is sorted further by second column, and so on. We can use ASC for ascending or DSC for descending to provide different sorting orders to different columns. Here we have a select statement where we are providing the select list, which columns we have to select, then from table name and order by. So here in order by sort expression, we can provide multiple columns like column 1, column 2, and their ascending or descending order. By default, it is always ascending order, but if we want to specify it for specific column as ascending or a descending, then we can use ASC or DSC. We will check this in detail in our practical session. So let's go to do some practical.